How you doing, fella? What's up, man? This is Sam Wake with another video. This time around we're gonna be doing some work on the Subaru 2018 Outback on the differential, a real differential one. I'm gonna be changing the gear oil. This is the easiest area to work on the Subaru, changing the rear differential gear oil. So I will show you the car that I'm talking about, the tools you need, and we go from there. As you can see, it's gonna be on this beautiful Outback here, 2018, right? So I will take you down here and show you the real differential, where it is. There we go. This is the one we're gonna be changing. Yeah. What kind of tool you need? It's a 10mm Allen key. Okay. And the torque spec is I believe 38 feet-pound of torque. So this is the easiest one things to do. So let me show you the tool we need, and I'm gonna put the car on the jack and we go from there. All right? Okay. This is the car here. So the tool you need, fella, jack stands. I got 4 here, right? I have the jack, my jack here, 3.5 ton of lift power. You need your Allen key. You need a wrench. Yeah, torque to torque it. I already positioned the torque. You need a level because to change your differential oil, you gotta level the car. And we have the oil here. Silver good. Thumbs oil 75W90. I have already changed that differential oil, rear differential oil. But this time around, for the sake of making a video, I'm gonna repeat it to show you guys how it's done and what you do. You need some paper towel and oil catch. Okay, so let's put it on the jack. I will forward this video, we'll put it on the jack, and I will get back to you. Okay, fella, as you can see, I got the car lift up, so I even level it, as you can see underneath here. So more or less level. Yeah, you can feel it here. So let's get back to work. Yeah, it's all up. Okay, fella, here we go again. So I'm gonna open this. As I said, always open the top one first before the down one, in case you empty your gearbox and you can't get it refilled. But I believe you can still get it refilled if you fight against gravity here. You can use the pump to refill it a little bit and take it to the dealer. Okay? So I'm gonna try to open the top one first. Yeah, this is the Allen key, as you can see. Yeah, 10mm. That's it. Oh man. Yep, I got it. I got it. What you can see. Yep. It came down here with the gasket on it. There you go. There's a gasket in there too. So put it on a safe and clean area here. If you put your finger here, you should feel the oil, right? It's right there, yeah. As you can see. It look clean because just for the sake of making this video, I'm changing after a year. I'm changing the box, the gear fluid here. It should be really clean. Okay, let's open the top one. So make sure you have a catch oil underneath. I have it here. Okay, let's see. Yep, I got it. Oh. Okay, be ready to catch oil here. Go. There we go. That's not too bad. I changed it a year ago, even less. So it's coming down. There is a plug. Let me see if I have any metal shaving there. No, just a little bit dirty. I'm gonna clean it here. It wasn't looking really bad. Yeah, I didn't do any towing with it, so still looking good. So don't mix it with the top one, okay? You see the inside of the plug, the one with a black top here, it's for the bottom one because there is a magnet in there, and the one with clear top, it's for the top one, okay? In case you get confused. Here I'm back. I'm gonna tighten the drain. Oh, sorry, I'm opening. It's 38 feet-pound of torque. There we go. Okay, this is the one I'm gonna be putting in there. So I hope it's gonna be very easy to squeeze. You gotta squeeze it in there. That was a genius idea from Amzor. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna remove the cup and cut the top. There we go. That was easy. So here, to know it filled, you put it until it starts draining. So you get the oil catch ready. You squeeze it. This one take 0.8 quart. I don't think it full. No. Let's see, put more in there. Just keep on squeezing it. Too far. Yeah, it's coming down. It's full now, as you can see. Yeah. So this one is good enough for the back side, as you can see. The front one will take how many again? 1.2 quart, and this is 0.8 quart. So I already closed the drain one and torque it with is it 30? Yeah, 38 feet-pound of torque for this one. Okay, now it's full, coming down. As you can see, it's dripping. It's full. Okay, I won't be able to torque the top one because there's no way I can get this thing in there. Maybe if you got a small one, you'll be able to torque. Otherwise, I will just do an estimation and close it with hand, right? And that's it. And make sure the gasket, I'll be using the same O-ring, the gasket. Yeah, I won't